Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ with a hybrid engine or energy hybrid engine. If you have one of those, you have check engine light on and code P0351 P0352 P0353 or P0354, any of these four codes, stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. All that will be covered in this video today. Now, I recommend guys, okay, to stay because there could be up to 3 things that can cause that and we'll cover that as we go. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So, what we need to do, let's open the hood on that Ford C-Max. The same engine has been used in Ford Fusion, C-Max and Ford Fusion, Ford C-Max and Lincoln MKZ. So, before we start, let me tell you guys, this is a really good computer by Foxwell. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's very inexpensive, but they're so good. You can see live data, read, delete code, see what the code is for, check if you're going to pass emissions, all that stuff, which makes it super convenient, guys. So I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now, another thing right here, this is the upper engine cover. In order to fix that code, you need to remove the upper engine cover. For any of you that don't know how to do that, we have a complete step-by-step video on our channel. Check it out, how to remove upper engine cover on Ford C-Max, Fusion, Lincoln MKZ. So, once you do it guys, you'll see your engine, it's wide open. That looks a lot like the regular non-hybrid engine actually, right here. So, if you pay attention, you will see that those are your ignition codes, respectively for cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now, if you guys have code 351, that indicates that you have problems, okay, with that ignition code. 352 is for cylinder number 2 ignition code, 353 is right here, cylinder number 3 ignition code, 354 is for cylinder 4 ignition code. And looking at that guys, what can cause these problems now? One thing, it could be just a loose connector or a broken wire. So always make sure that the connector is plugged in all the way and it's clean, not contaminated. Make sure it clicks when you install it. Okay, that's quite common. People will work on cars, sometimes they will not push all the way in, it will come off from vibrations. It even happened to me recently on a Porsche Cayenne vehicle. Number 2, most likely you have a burned ignition coil, bad ignition coil. That can happen as well guys. Number 3, you hope that's not the case. It happened on another Ford vehicle, but it's very rare by the way. It could be a bad computer. Okay, you have a special resistor for each ignition coil in the engine computer, and as a result we were always getting misfire on one cylinder and a bad ignition coil code. We replaced the coils, we replaced spark plugs, still the same, and we had to send the engine computer to get rebuilt, and they fixed it. So if you have any of these codes, that's most likely what's causing it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.